Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can hide or unhide plus messenger chats. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my messenger application. My plus messenger application on my mobile phone. And I'm going to hide chats in messenger. If we want to hide chats, we need to enable the hidden chats on messenger. We can go to our settings first by clicking on these three lines on the top left, and then we're going to go to the plus settings right here guys, and select the privacy and security, and here you'll be able to enable the hidden chats on messenger. You just need to click on the circle button to enable the hidden chats. Okay, and when the first time you enable this feature, you need to create a password for the hidden chats, and this is my second time activating this feature guys, so I have set my password. Okay, and now the hidden chats is enabled, and I'm going to go back to the chat list, and I'm going to show you guys how we can hide chats here. Basically, you just need to tap and hold on the chat. For example, I'm going to hide this chat. We can tap and hold on it, and we can click on these three dots and then select hide. If you want to hide multiple chats, you just need to select the chat you want to hide like this, and you're going to click on these three dots and then select hide. Okay, now the chats have been hidden, and if you want to see the hidden chats, you need to go to, wait, I'm going to go back and I'm going to check it. Okay, and after you hide chats on plus messenger, this icon will appear on the top right corner. If you want to see the hidden chats, you can click on this icon, and here you need to enter your hidden chats passcode, or you can use your fingerprint or pin, and I'm just going to use my fingerprint. Okay, and these are the hidden chats on my plus messenger. And then I'm going to show you guys how we can unhide plus messenger chat. If you want to unhide, you just need to tap and hold on it, and you can select unhide like this. Or if you want to unhide them all, you can disable the hidden chats. You can go back to the plus settings and then select the privacy and security, and you can disable the hidden chats like this. And to disable the hidden chats, you need to enter your passcode, or you can use your fingerprint. Okay, and I'm going to click on show. Okay guys, and that's all the way to hide or unhide plus messenger chats. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.